I'm Princess Nyan Nyan, and today we're going to be making a DIY cake shop using one of Kracie's popular DIY Popin Cookin kits. So let's open the box and start Popin Cookin. So I'm just going to follow the lines and cut where needed. Look at this little diagram here and cut up our wafers into squares, triangles and rectangles. And there we have it. And then we mix. Now we flip it back up and then try our best to squeeze everything down to the bottom. So now I'm going to twist the top and put a little snip on the end where it shows the cutting lines. And now on top, I'll try and do it as neat as possible. Ta-da! Now it's time to move on to our final step, the sprinkles. Starting off with our wonky ice creams, I'm just going to go for the messiest application available and dab them on. And there we have it, our very own DIY candy.